Hello everyone, we have here a nice exponential equation. 4 to the power of x plus 2 equals 8 to the power of x times 2 times 3. And in this video, we'll be solving for the value of x. And before we start, for those new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. I would appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now let's start. So first step will be to rewrite the right hand side of the equation. So how are we going to rewrite this right side of the equation? If you notice, these are all exponents on the same level. That means we can multiply all the exponents. Let's do that. So now the right hand side is equal to base of 8 to the power of x times 2 times 3. So this is now to the power of 6x. And left hand side remain the same. That's 4 to the power of x plus 2. And so to solve this kind of equation, we have to convert the base. Since they have just two terms containing the variable x, we need to find a common base for both if that is possible. So in here now, 4 can be written as 2 squared. And 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3. So now we have 4 is now 2 squared. So this is 2 squared to the power of x plus 2. Right hand side, 8 is now 2 to the power of 3. So this is now 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 6x. Simplify the terms of the equation. So this is now 2 to the power of, we have this 2 right here, multiplying together. So this is now 2 times the quantity x plus 2 equals the same way on here, 2 to the power of 3 times 6x. And simplify 2 to the power of, multiplying that, go distributing 2. So this is now 2x plus 4. Right hand side, 2 to the power of 3 times 6x, that is 18x. So the equation now turned into having the same base, left and right hand side. So we're trying to simplify further by using the exponent formula of the same base, that is a to the exponent b is equals to a exponent c. The same base, we can equate the exponent. Therefore, b is equal to c. So back to our equation. So this is now b is 2x plus 4 and c is 18x. So we have now 2x plus 4 is equal to 18x. Simplify this further, combining like terms. 2x to the right hand side is equal now 4 is equal to 18x minus 2x. So in here, 16x equals 4. Find the value of x, divide by 16, both sides of the equation. So this is cancelled. So x is equal to 4 over 16 is 1 over 4. That is our final answer. X is equal to 1/4. Alright. And so that's all for now. And for those new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.